Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Mac to a TV. First, identify the video output ports on your Mac and the input ports on your television. This crucial initial step helps you determine the right cables and adapters needed for a successful connection. We'll cover common port types and how to match them for optimal display quality, ensuring a smooth setup process from the start. For a reliable wired connection, HDMI is often the best choice, providing excellent audio and video. Many Macs use DisplayPort or Mini DisplayPort, so you might need an adapter to convert to HDMI. Newer Macs frequently feature USB-C ports, requiring a USB-C to HDMI adapter. Always ensure your cable length is appropriate for your setup. If you prefer a wireless setup, AirPlay is a fantastic option for mirroring your Mac screen to your TV. You'll need an Apple TV device connected to your television for this to work. It's essential that both your Mac and the Apple TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network for seamless communication and a smooth viewing experience. If you encounter issues, first double-check all cable connections to ensure they are secure. Next, go to your Mac system settings, then Displays, to adjust resolution or mirroring options. Also, confirm your TV is set to the correct input source, like HDMI 1 or 2. These simple steps often resolve most common connection problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.